try the salt and fin here at Harrah's in Rincon, Harrah's Rincon. It just opened up last Monday. So this is Salt and Fin's menu. It used to be Fiore here at Harrah, Southern California. Fiore Steakhouse is gone and it's now replaced by Salt and Fin, which is a seafood restaurant. The layout of the restaurant is the same though. Didn't change much. Actually, nothing changed. The kitchen's still there. Salt and Fin menu.
Truffle mac and cheese meat.
Oysters. Accompaniments.
Kitchen, I tried the mac and cheese.
Truffle mac and cheese looks good. $10.
Was it extra cheesy, or is it just like?
Crab.
I think it's just standard.
Potatoes. I think I'm gonna try that Stella Farms organic spaghetti squash. But the truffle mac and cheese looks good too. And some inlets right there. Clams. Whole grilled fish. Seaway. Fish and chips. Looks good. But I'll probably try the fjord salmon. The salmon night. And they have the towers there too. Salt of the earth. No, they actually have pasture raised chicken.
That's the price, $38.
There goes my coffee and my creamer, but they don't have the creamer in a nice cup like other expensive restaurants do. I guess because they just opened up, so they have this kind of creamer. Alright, for the price that they have, I thought they'll be more luxurious too, like Fiore. But I guess it's okay. They probably just started, that's why.
Like corn.
Look at their cornbread. It's a bread, but it's shaped like a corn. But let's see. Let's cut it out. Let's try to cut it. Is it really a bread or a corn? Ah, look at that. I've never seen a cornbread like this.
Is that buttered there or what?
Yeah, it looks like honey. Honey and butter. It's so nice. I'm sure it's good too. Now let's see Sean try it. The cornbread with the honey and butter. How is it? You be the judge. It tastes like corn. Is it good?
I like it.
You like it?
I give it
Huh?
7.5 out of 10.
7.5 out of 10 only?
I think no, because I think I need more of this.
Yeah. It needs more what?
Butter.
Butter. Ah, so we can order more butter. We can order more butter. How about you, Nai? How is it? Is it like a regular cornbread or better? Regular? Rub? Regular?
More butter.
More butter? More butter for everybody. Our food.
Ooh.
I got the chicken.
Is that?
And Rob got the
What
fish and
material is that?
chips.
Is that
Looks
corduroy?
good.
Yeah,
And
I
my
like that.
mom's
I
got
like
the
that.
salmon.
Alright,
And I
I'm
want to
gonna
try
eat one on
the
way
truffle
back.
mac and
Ooh.
cheese.
Who is that for? AJ?
And the squash
Rich
spaghetti.
Daddy.
It's a squash spaghetti, huh?
Fine.
This is the squash spaghetti. This is for my sister Holly. It looks really good. It's for you, Holly. I'll eat it for you. And the mac and cheese. It looks cheesy.
Which one am I
So
trying
Sean
to
is gonna try the mac and cheese and the spaghetti.
Okay, mac and cheese.
The spaghetti squash spaghetti. How is it? It's an yes.
Like a 9.
Yes, it's good.
Nine.
A 9?
Yeah. Mac and cheese.
The mac and cheese is a 9. So
The
now
squash.
it's gonna try the squash spaghetti. That's my sister's favorite.
Another 9.
Another 9 out of 10.
Yeah.
Wow.
I think so. The
Wow.
fries?
It does look good.
The fries are for sure a 10.
The fries
No,
is good.
I'm sorry. The fries are the flavor. The flavor for the fries is a 10.
Is
but
it 10?
But it could be crispy. It could be crispy.
So it's not as crispy as you
Yeah.
thought it would be,
It could be crispy on the outside.
but it's still good, right?
Yeah, it's still
and what
good.
kind of sauce is this one?
It's
This
a tartar sauce. They added,
tartar
I
sauce.
think dill pickle.
Oh, that's why
or
it's
dill
green.
something, yeah. Mhm,
Because
yeah.
they added the okay, that's why it's green tartar sauce. Wow. Okay, so let me try it too. Look, that mac and cheese is almost gone.
Fish is really crispy.
Which one? The fish?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yep, really crispy.
Yeah.
Very
This is
Flaky
crispy.
inside.
Is it better than Hell's Kitchen?
Yeah.
Uh oh, they're gonna be mad at us for doing
Well,
that.
Hell's Kitchen don't have the big selection.
Oh yeah. All right,
And then I try this.
sweet.
Sauce.
The tartar sauce.
Different.
Okay,
like
let me
lemon.
start trying mine then. I'm trying the spaghetti squash. It's good. It's creamy. It's creamy and it's so good. I like this veggies.
I think the salmon and the soy
And
sauce.
the mac and cheese. That's what they call the truffle mac and cheese. It's yummy. Let me try the chicken.
Soy sauce?
The chicken is good.
What's better?
I do like the salmon. The salmon melts in my mouth.
Whose chicken's better, this or Hell's Kitchen?
Oh, Hell's Kitchen, I had the chicken nijori. That's better. That was really good
Compared to that.
because it's got a lot of flavor. So Hell's Kitchen, this is just as good too. But you can compare it with what I had at Hell's Kitchen because that was chicken nijori. It's a different flavor, but this is good as well. Not that salmon, my mom's salmon. It's so tender and juicy and it melts in your mouth. It's good. Spaghetti squash for Holly. This is for you. It's very good. This bite is for you, Holly.